Hello, I'm Oscar Irigoyen, and today I'm going to show you a lab for installing Salsa and reporting in 3 servers. You can install the Infovista components in one single server, or 2 or 4, but in this case I'm going to use 3. So in this way I'm going to show you the installation procedure and the interactions between the different components. General considerations. So I am assuming that you know the basics of the operation of the Ipanema system. The appliances, the controller, I'm using Windows 2012. I'm using a basic sizing for my lab just to demonstrating how to install it. If you need a precise sizing, so you can go to our support portal or asking to Infovista representative. So we have basic list of prerequisites for the servers that I'm going to show you, and also the names of our software can change in the future because the updates, the generics of my installation procedure will almost remain the same. So the installation of the packages order is not mandatory. It's just to have a guide and a progressive manner to see how the installation is going to be, and also to have a manner to test the different packages. Server's prerequisites. So essentially, latest patches, no firewall, no antivirus, and verify that you have distinct system names, MAC addresses, and IP addresses. In the case that you are using virtualization, the clones also clone the system names, the MAC addresses. If we have repeated system names or MAC addresses, so the operation will not be correct. We will use a temporary license for our Salsa server. This is the kind of file that we need. You can ask for this file license to one of our Infovista representatives. The Infovista server for reporting requires also a license, and it gives you an evaluation license of 30 days. If you need more time for your test or for your installation, so please ask to the Infovista support team, and you are going to use the system ID of the server for that. This is the list of software that we are going to use. So essentially we are going to use Salsa 9.3.0, and we have the list of software here of IP reporting and hotfixes. So all that can be downloaded from our Ipanema Infovista.com support portal. Here I have the order of installation of my different packages starting on server 3. So you can see a number for each of the different packages. This is the order I am using in the next part of the video. Please enjoy. Thank you very much.